Hi Josh.
Hey Tom. Thanks so much for coming. Lots to talk about. Should we grab a quick coffee first?
Love to.
Could I get a latte? No, you too. So Tom, as an intern here at SAP, I'm really keen to learn more about how SAP work with our partners. I understand you work with Keytree. Can you tell me a bit about that?
Sure. When I was at uni, I obviously had heard of SAP, and I knew they did a load of cool, exciting things. So when it was time to come to get a job, I looked through their partner network. I found Keytree. They do some really great innovative stuff, so I applied for a job, and here I am.
So what is a regular day at Keytree?
For me personally, I'm a software developer, so it's writing code to create applications, but there's a huge number of roles available.
And are you working on any exciting projects?
I am. There's a few. Probably my favourite one at the moment is called Protect.
And what is Protect?
Protect is a product that's designed to reduce the number of concussions and subconcussive injuries that contact sport players get. Let me show you. So this is the Protect mouthguard.
Wow, amazing. How does it work?
So inside of here, you've got some embedded electronics. There's two sensors that activate when someone gets an impact. They measure some data and send that data to the side of the pitch. So if you give this mouthguard a tap, what you'll see is the impact comes through for the player on the screen. And that's giving the physio a good view of the load the player is under during a training session or a match.
Right. So I imagine this uses SAP solutions?
It does. It uses quite a few. You've got SAP HANA, SAP Leonardo, SAP Analytics Cloud.
So it's quite the collaboration with the partner in SAP.
Yep. Keytree has designed the electronics, and we also do all of the software that sits on those SAP solutions. It's been really good fun. We've worked closely with SAP to achieve this.
So is it actually being deployed in sport?
It has been, yeah. Two teams in the Pro 14 use it, so by the rugby teams, Ospreys and Cardiff Blues. Not only rugby players as well, we've done some trials in other sports, ice hockey, field hockey and American football.
So this is really going to impact the future of sport.
Yeah, it's really exciting. And we're going to go from the rugby pitch to the catwalk.
Wow. So how does Keytree get involved in the fashion industry?
Well, we have a couple of applications in the fashion industry. One is to do with runway events, catwalk shows. What the app does is it uses machine learning to recognise a fashion model as they come down the runway. It then presents more information on the clothes the fashion model is wearing to the user, someone who's holding up their phone, recognising the model.
Oh, right.
And then for the client, which is the designer, it gives them the customer's feedback. So do people actually like the clothes they've designed?
So how did Keytree collaborate with SAP on this project?
Well, all of this is built on SAP's products. The technology that's used for this application is on SAP Cloud Platform.
So what's your involvement in this project?
My role is varied. Day to day, it's a developer role, so I'm writing code, but other times I've been to events to support them, which is really good fun because you get to go off to places like Las Vegas and New York.
Amazing. Do you think this is something that could be changing the fashion industry?
I think so. When you look at the different areas of fashion, so the shops and events like catwalks and runway shows, there's definitely a lot more technology coming in.
Thanks so much for coming in, Tom. I've learned so much today.
It's been a pleasure. Chat to you soon.
See you, Tom.